Hello mga idol! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, turuan ko kayo kung paano mag-confirm ng isang maternity benefit application kapag yung dati yung employee ay nag-resign na or nag-separate sa iyong company. Kanina, meron akong nabasang email na notice of request or notice on request for employer's confirmation for the maternity benefit application. Nabasa ko dito na kailangan nating i-certify ito kasi para makapag-reimburse si former employee. Nakalagay kasi dito na please be informed that your former employee has submitted her maternity benefit application as separate employee member with the following details. Please confirm within 7 calendar days from the date of this email if the maternity benefit was advanced or not advanced to your former employee. Please be reminded that in case of failure of the employer to act accordingly on the final notice sent by the SSS, the processing of the concerned member's MBA shall proceed based on documents received by the SSS. Should the MBA be approved and paid, any further reimbursement application that the employer may file for the same contingency covered by the paid MBA shall be denied. Ibig sabihin po, kapag hindi po natin sinertify ito, just in case para sa mga employer na nakapag-advance at hindi natin ito sinertify, possible po ma-deny yung pangalawa natin application kasi babayaran na ni SSS kung ano yung unang pinroceed na application. Okay, so be careful lang sa mga employer po dyan. Ngayon, nag-login ako kanina sa ating SSS portal. Ganito lamang po yung process niya. Same lang din ito sa mga process noon, pero in-upgrade lang po ng SSS yung process sa kanilang portal. Punta tayo dito sa my certification na pag-login po ng ating portal, may portion po dito na sa my e-services, yung certification of benefit claim. Makikita nyo dito, nandito yung maternity, unemployed, tapos retirement. So, punta tayo dito sa maternity, makikita nyo dito yung mga nag-apply ng maternity benefit application. So, nakalagay dito yung transaction number, yung ibang details, then yung separation date, tapos nandito yung action, action dito nakalagay kung yung status nga for certification. I-click lang natin tong action na to. Yan, itong action na to, makikita nyo yan. Pag i-click nyo yan, nakalagay dito yan, are you the employer of the member on or before her delivery, miscarriage, or EPP? I-select nyo lang kung yes or no. Ibig sabihin, kung hindi naman kayo, inlagay nyo no. Tapos i-continue nyo lang ito. Pagka-continue nyo, meron isa pang question, is member still employed in your company? Of course, yes or no lang naman ang sagot dyan. So sa unang tanong kanina, yes, dati namin siyang employee. Tapos, nakalagay dito sa is member still employed in your company? So, select ko yung no. Pangatlong tanong, is the maternity benefit advanced to the member? Of course, hindi namin in-advance kasi nga nag-separate na siya noon dahil nag-resign siya. Now, isa-select natin tong reason. May mga automatic na isa-select natin dito. Ito yung mga option. Number 1, the employee did not file the maternity leave application prior to delivery. The employee did not inform the employer about the pregnancy. No available funds for the advance payment of benefit. The employee may not return to work after receiving the advance payment. The employer is not aware of the company on the advance payment of the benefit. So, ang ginawa ko na lang dito, ang pinili ko na lang is yung employers that aware of the policy on the advance payment of maternity benefit. Kasi ang naalala ko, nag-resign to during, I think, 7 months or 8 months na yung siya employee. Okay? So, kaya hindi kami nakapag-advance kasi ayos naman daw siya. Kasi I think ang reason niya kaya siya umalis is kailangan niyang mag-focus kasi ang advice sa kanya ng OBI, kailangan niyang mag-take rest. And also, nag-usap din daw sila ng husband niya na mag-resign na lang siya kaysa magtrabaho. Okay. So, i-continue lang natin ito. Ayan. Pagka-continue nyo, meron din siyang isa pang remarks dito na i-click nyo lang siya, I certify that the above information or the above employer's confirmation is true and correct, and I understand that I shall be held liable under all circumstances for any false information, representation, and fraud in this certification. After that, i-click nyo lang itong submit. Pagka-click nyo ng submit, meron na siyang successfully submitted your confirmation. Ayan. Then, makaka-receive din po kayo ng email notification ni SSS. And then after that, pwede nyo pong inform yung former employee nyo kung in case man na hindi niya nabasa kaagad yung And also, after that, mababasa naman siguro niya yan. Hayaan na lang natin na pumasok na sa kanya yung maternity benefit application. So, kapag may mga katanungan kayo, comment lang po kayo or message nyo po ako sa TikTok or Facebook page para po masagot ko ang inyong mga tanong. Maraming salamat and God bless.